3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, my name's Anita Young, and this is my story. I'm a stay-at-home grandma. My son Rob has MS. I am there for him, and I watch the two grandkids, Walker and Barrett, while their mom, Lindsey, works as an RN. About a month ago, I was looking at different things on YouTube when one of them caught my eye. It read, Miracle Money Story. Out of curiosity, I clicked on it. I was impressed with the young dad and what I saw. I went to his website and I put my name on his waiting list. On March the 2nd, 2012, I called Paul Hutchings and said, I want to join your team. He wasn't selling anything. He was referring me to a product. I bought a product and got a business. I bought one product and told two people that bought one product. And this is my first check I received on Friday, April the 13th. I'm going to open it. My first check, my friend. And it is $46. $46. And all I done was bought one product and told two people that bought one product. How simple is that? Join us and see the most unique and revolutionary retirement program ever to be formulated. It is patented and one of a kind. ONE24, the first ever program of its kind built for the everyday average person to succeed in. Realistically, retire in 24 months or less. All without selling anything to anyone. It's never been done before, and it's revolutionizing the industry as we know it. So join me at joinanitayoung.124online.com. Again, joinanitayoung.124online.com. And get on my waiting list. You ask, what waiting list? I have one green ticket every month. Why not you? Remember, don't let anyone steal your dreams. Make it a fantastic day. You have the power to make it that way. And remember, never, never, never give up on your dreams, my friend. God bless.
Good job.